Your salary got credited on the 1st. Today is the 18th. Open your bank app right now. I'll wait. Scary, right? You didn't buy a car, you didn't go to a vacation, but the money is gone. And here's the uncomfortable truth: it's not your salary that's the problem, it's your habits. Now, before you think, I'm just another YouTuber reading out Google results, I'm a qualified accountant. I have worked as a finance analyst for a decade and currently working for one of the global banks. Analyzing money is literally my day job. So, what I'm about to share isn't a theory, it's what I see working and failing with real money every single day. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the 7 habits silently keeping you poor and how to fix each one without investing in stocks, without mutual funds, or any other market risk. Just boring, safe stuff that actually works. Habit number 5: a loan is probably costing you 15 to 20,000 rupees a year. So let's get started. Habit number 1: you spend first, save whatever's left. It's a very common habit. Salary comes in, you pay rent, EMIs, order food, buy stuff, and on the 30th, you look at what's left and think, I'll save this. What's left? Nothing. Every single month, nothing. The fix: reverse the order. Save first and then spend what's left. The day your salary hits, before you spend a single rupee, move a fixed amount to a separate account. Even 10% is fine. If you earn 40,000, that's 4,000 a month. Set up an auto transfer or a recurring deposit for the second of every month so it happens without you touching it. An RD at the rate of 6.5% is not glamorous, but 4,000 a month becomes roughly 50,000 in a year, guaranteed, without any risk. That's your emergency fund forming while you sleep. If you can't do this one habit, nothing else in this video will help you. Take a pause, set up that auto transfer right now. Habit number 2: you have no idea where your money goes. Ask yourselves, how much did you spend on food delivery last month? On subscriptions? You don't know. And what you don't measure, you cannot control. You don't need fancy apps or Excel skills. The fix: once a week, let's say every Sunday night, 10 minutes, open your bank app and UPI statements. Just read them. That's it. Put your spends into 3 buckets: needs, wants, and what was I thinking? The first time you do this, you will be shocked. 4,000 rupees on Swiggy, 1,200 on subscriptions you totally forgot, 3 impulse purchases you don't even remember. You don't have to cut anything yet. Just look. Awareness alone typically cuts wasteful spending by 10 to 15% because it's very hard to order that ninth biryani of the month once you have seen the numbers. Habit number 3: your money sits in a savings account, earning nothing. Here's the earn extra doing nothing part you came for. Your salary account gives you 2.5 to 3% interest. Inflation is around 5 to 6%. That means your idle money is literally shrinking in value every year. You are not even standing still, you are moving backwards. The fix: 3 options. All safe, no stocks. Option number 1: sweep in FD. Most banks offer this. Anything above, say, 25,000 in your account automatically converts into a fixed deposit, earning 6.5 to 7%. Need the money? It sweeps back automatically. You do nothing. It's free money for one form at the bank. Option number 2: move idle cash to a high interest savings account. Some small finance banks gives 7.5% plus on savings account. And remember, deposits up to 5 lakh are insured by DICGC. Same protection as any big bank. Option number 3: ladder your FDs. Instead of one big FD, split into 3 to 4 smaller ones with different maturity dates. Emergency comes, you break one, not all. If you keep an average of a 1 lakh idle, the difference between 3% and 7% is 4,000 a year for filling one form. That's the laziest income you'll ever earn. Habit number 4, you treat EMIs as normal. Phone on EMI, TV on EMI, even clothes on no cost EMI. Now, here's the trap, EMIs make expensive things feel affordable. So you buy things you'd never buy with cash. Would you pay 80,000 cash for a phone? No. But 6,700 a month, that's nothing. That's exactly how they get you. And no cost EMI is rarely no cost EMI. The discount you'd get on full payment is often built into the prices, plus GST on interest, plus processing fees. The fix, one rule that I personally follow, if you can't buy it twice in cash, you can't afford it. EMIs are for assets like a house, maybe education, not for gadgets, not for vacations, and never for weddings on credit. And if you are carrying credit card debt at 36 to 42% interest, kill that first before any savings. No FD on earth beats losing 40% a year. Habit number 5, you are leaking money on autopilot. This is the 15K to 20K a year habit that I mentioned. Subscriptions you don't use, the gym you visited twice, delivery fees, platform fees, surge pricing, packaging charges, 60 here, 90 there, convenience fees on every ticket, that small 150 daily office coffee and snack run. That's around 3,000 a month and 36,000 a year. The fix? Do a leak audit this weekend. List every subscription, cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. You can always resubscribe. Food capping. Food cap delivery to a fixed number per month. Say 4, not 0. 0 never works. Just a cap. Use one credit card with actual cashback on your regular spends and pay it in full every month. That's 1.5 to 5% cashback on money you were spending anyway. Habit number 6, you upgrade your lifestyle every time your salary increases. Got a 15% hike? New phone, bigger flat, better car. 6 months later, you are just as broke as before at a higher income. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's why people earning 1.5 lakh a month are as broke as people earning 40,000. Your income grew, but your savings stayed at zero. You didn't get richer, you just got a more expensive version of broke. The fix, the 50% rule on every raise. This is what I personally apply. Salary went up 8,000, 4,000 goes straight into that auto transfer from habit 1. Increase the RD amount the same month the hike hits. Enjoy the other half guilt free. You'll never miss money you never saw. This is the single fastest way for a salaried person to grow savings without earning a single rupee more from side work. Habit number 7, you have no emergency fund. So every emergency becomes debt. Bike breakdowns, medical bill, sudden trip to home, and where does it go? Credit card, personal loan at 14%, borrowing from a friend, which is worse. Without a buffer, every surprise pushes you backwards, and you spend the next 6 months paying interest on bad luck. The fix, target 3 months of expenses, not salary, expenses. Let's say if you spend 30,000 a month, your target is 90,000. Keep it in that sweep in FD from habit number 3, so it's earning 7% while sitting there, and it's available same day when life happens. This fund is not for sales, not for iPhones, not for trips. It's insurance you pay yourself. Recap of things we have learned today. Save first automatically on salary day. Read your statements 10 minutes a week. Shift to sweep in FD. Stop earning 3% on idle money. If you can't buy it twice, no EMI. Audit your leaks, subscriptions, delivery fees, convenience fees, etc. Every raise 50% to savings before lifestyle. Build a 3-month emergency fund. Notice what I didn't say? Stocks, crypto, trading. You don't need any of that to stop being broke. You need these 7 boring habits. Start with just one habit today. An auto transfer, 5 minutes. Comment below which habit is draining you the most. I read every comment. And if this saved you even 500, the like button is free.